Irfan Pathan, born 27 October 1984, is an Indian former cricketer who played all formats of the game. He was a bowling all-rounder. He was a member of the India team that won the 2007 ICC World Twenty20 and 2013 ICC Champions Trophy. Beginning his career as a fast medium swing and seam bowler, Pathan broke into the national team soon after turning 19 and evoked comparisons with Pakistan's Wasim Akram with his promising performances and prodigious swing. In early 2006, Pathan became the only bowler to take a test hat trick in the first over of the match. However, the productive run did not last, and after the start of 2006, Pathan began to steadily lose pace and swing, and his wicket-taking dwindled. Although Pathan's batting continued to be productive, he was not regarded as a specialist and was dropped from the team in both tests and ODIs by the end of 2006, and by 2007 was no longer in the squad until return in 2007 World Twenty20. Irfan Pathan, along with players such as Vinod Kambli and Laxman Sivaramakrishnan, was included in the list of India's lost boys by Shashi Tharoor. He cemented his position in the team and was named by the International Cricket Council as the 2004 Emerging Player of the Year. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.